Hey, welcome back. Today I want to go over the Hygger Rechargeable Air Pump. Now this comes in very handy if you have a power outage and also has a 1-year warranty. So let's get right to it, open this thing up and hook it up to one of the aquariums. Here's the Hygger Rechargeable AC/DC Aquarium Air Pump HG071 3-watt. It's a nice little kit. Here's the air pump. Feels like a good quality air pump. It's got the stationary legs, rubber legs, so it's nice and quiet. Let's see. Comes with a nice charging box, which you don't see a lot actually. It's funny. Wow. It even comes with a check valve. And what this does is allow the air to go one way but not the other way, so that you don't create any leaks from gravity. It's a 1-year limited warranty and all the good stuff in this little manual. So I think what we're going to do is see where this plugs in. Okay, there it is right in the front. So here it is, charged. And if you hold this, it turns on. The blue displays the air pump intensity, so I could keep it low, medium, or high. And then if you don't touch it for a minute or two, while we set this up, you'll see there's an arrow that shows you which way the check valve goes. That's the way the airflow wants to go. So this is the way we're going to put it right here. Actually going to add this right here. And you can see now it's telling me that my battery level is 1 bar. I only let it charge a little bit. So here's this. Air line with the check valve and the air stone. Now let's go put this in one of the tanks, see how it works. Now here we are, dropping the air stone. If you want just a little bit of air, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So there's the Hygger Rechargeable Air Pump. This thing's really unique because you don't have a wire that you need to track around your aquarium, and it also recharges so that you don't need to replace the batteries. Great for power outages to have in your closet in case you need it. And it does have 2 slots here if you want to add 2 air lines. Again, you hold the power button, it's on. You can adjust your air speed. If you wait a second, it'll show you your power. I'm at 1 bar. And then I'll hold it down. I shut it off. M lets you go into manual mode. It shuts on and off for a few seconds. Something I wouldn't really worry about for now, but check this little thing out. The link to this air pump can be found down in the description below. And for all my fans out there, if you use the coupon code AquaLab, you'll get 10% off all purchases.